we noticed that here is really a one-stop solution. Anything you need, they can be provided here. So this is something who is really good.
So as you can see, this is our one-stop service process. We include product supply and logistic part. So that means if you have a project and have a house, you just give me the drawing. We can provide the interior design and the product supply. So you can get your idea from some interior design like living room, dining room, kitchen, and walk-in closet. And behind is our showroom for material selection. So that means you can select the product in small sample and accessory product opposite. So let's come to me. Inside accessory, every drawer have different accessory inside. And all the wall and tiles here is natural marble. It's the latest one in China this year. Someone like soft, someone like hard.
Okay.
Yeah, depends on different. And then some is the sponge, some is the bounce.
Okay.
Yeah, different. Yeah. And then inside is a sample of luxury style bathroom. Bathroom. And here have some small sample of the lighting, switch and socket, and the finished material of the furniture. Granite. Then all of this is this is a different color can select. Yeah.
OSS, donc One Stop Solution, ça veut dire qu'ils peuvent tout faire, d'accord, pour vous. Donc, c'est le moment aussi de parler de ça, de poser des questions sur ça.
You can send us the drawing and then tell us what style of the material you need. Or you can send us some picture for reference so we can help you to make the quotation based on your drawing.
Okay.
That means you can show how is the measurement of your house and how is the layout, like where is the bathroom, where is the living room, where is the dining room, and the size of each area.
Si vous voulez juste rénover votre cuisine par exemple, ils peuvent aussi s'occuper uniquement de cette partie-là. D'accord, donc vous envoyez les plans, etc. Ils vont vous faire le design et tout, et vous envoyez des matériaux. Donc c'est juste, ça peut être toute la maison, comme ça peut être juste des parties de la maison à rénover.
And then the material is very natural.
Natural.
Yes.
You can clean it.
Of course. Yeah. You can see. Sometimes we can use the flat one, the marble pattern, and combine with the different square design like this. Very popular and very easy to sell.
放在哪里，哪里放什么，我们会帮他先做。然后呢，他有这些之后，然后where is the toilet, where is the, we help you, and then once you get the windows, we help you to make like a model. So I'm Sean. Nice to meet you. So I some simple question want to ask
Okay.
about. So first of all is how long have you been in China?
I studied in China before, in 2017. I came in China to study Chinese language for 1 year, and after I start my business with China. So every year I come here at least 2 times per year. And since last year, we start bringing our client here from Africa and from around the world to come to visit factory in China to meet new opportunities and build a new strong partnership with Chinese factory.
So I saw there are many videos on your YouTube and they were
Yeah.
very nice.
Yeah.
So what is the reason that you want to be a YouTuber?
Oh no, it's not to be a YouTuber. I have my own business. I have a brand. We sell bags from China, and I sell to Europe. And after I start making YouTube video to show people how they can partnership with Chinese factory, build relationship with China. So that's why I start bringing people from Africa and around the world to come to China to visit factory, to make partnership with them, and to understand the Chinese market, because a lot of people, when they think about China, they think about cheap quality.
Okay.
They don't think about high product quality. So I want to show them that in China here we can have other quality here and have really good factory who can build strong relation and also provide good products. So that's why I start making video more about YouTube, on YouTube about China, about factory in China.
Okay. Just the last question is how is the impression of our company?
First is the welcome. The way you welcome us here is really impressive. So we are all of them. We are really grateful for that. We are really happy. So I saw that it's really nice the way you welcome our team here to come here. And the second thing is the presentation. We noticed that here is really a one-stop solution. You can come here and have everything you need for your project, for your hotel, for your villa, for your hospital, anything you need, they can be provided here. So this is something who is really good for our clients, really good for people who came here to see how things work here in China. So I think that we can build those relationships I'm talking about, so our client can come here and work with you guys, and also we work together to provide a strong product, reliable and high quality product to the market.
Okay, so final, can you use Chinese to say some wish to our friend?
OK， 我希望我们一起可以努力工作。
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Hello. Okay, so I have some simple question want to ask you and for my team.
Okay.
So first question is how long have you been in China?
Now for more than 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
So you study in China?
Yeah, I studied in China. Now I have my company registered in China, and I'm into trading business, import export.
So which kind of job you are doing now in China?
Right now, I help people to source products in China, and I help people to look for partner in China. I have one project we call China Business Trip. That in this project we invite people from all over the world, but mostly Africans people, from French-speaking countries, So people they come to China, we help them to go to different factories. We look for partners for different type of projects, and that's why we also come to your company. Yeah.
Okay, so I saw there's many nice video in your channel.
Yeah.
And what is the reason that you want to start your job on video and YouTube?
Yeah, because you know a lot of people they don't know China. A lot of people they don't deeply understand China. Sometimes they go to other companies, to other countries, please, to buy stuff, but they don't know that the source is in China. As you know, China is like the factory of the world. We have over 7 million factories in China, so we want to highlight the right information, so to help people to have good price, to have affordable product, to have flexible collaboration. That's why we start, doing a lot of videos about China, about how to do business, and to take advantage of all the opportunity people can get in China. Yeah.
Okay, so after you see different kind of supplier or other company from China, how is the impression for our company?
I think the things you are doing here is very impressive. Like you try to give a solution, one-stop solution for construction. This is unbelievable and it's amazing. I like your business model, because with this you can be very efficient. When you want to do construction, you know that in one place you have everything. That can lower also your shipping cost. That can help you to be more specific. So I think this business model is very interesting for anyone in this industry. So the things you are doing here is just amazing.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you for your support in this project. So can you use Chinese to say hello to our friend and say some wishes to all our friends here?
Okay, 大家好，我很高兴在这里，我祝你们我祝你们
工作顺利，
然后我们可以在一起合作，在一起赚钱吧。
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. 我想知道你的中文这么好啊，你的中文名字是什么？
我中文名字叫和平。
和平。This means peace, right?
Peace, right?
和平，一个非常好的名字。那我想问一下，你来中国多久了？
我来中国已经5年了。
5年了。那是在中国这边学习的中文，还是说在你们国家学的？
以前来中国之前开始学了中文，学了一段时间，然后来中国之后就还在这里学了，差不多4年。
那么我想知道是你在中国是做什么样的工作的？
我在中国去做贸易的，然后主要是把中国的产品从中国这边出口到非洲国家、美国、欧洲都有。
所以的话，在你认识这么多的公司还有工厂之后，当你来到我们 George Group 的话，你觉得我们跟其他供应商有什么不一样的地方吗？
你们的优点就是，比如说有人想建房子嘛，然后呢，我们一般都是把不同的材质从不同的工厂来买，然后自己安装。然后我来到你们这里之后，发现有一个像一个集团一样，然后把很多工厂结合在一起，然后提供一个比较完美的服务，这是我觉得不可思议的一个点。所以呢，我觉得这 group 的话是一个比较。我见过的最好的一个集团，在这方面。
非常感谢你对我们的一个认可。那么在这个视频的最后，我想你用中文去给我们的一个粉丝还有我们的朋友去问一下好，可以吗
？OK， 大家好，我叫和平，然后我今天呢很荣幸能遇到这样的集团，然后跟他们简单的做个采访。如果有需要的话，就是像建房子啊什么之类的，最好的就是 George Groups。
Okay, 谢谢。Welcome our customer and our friends to follow his account. You can follow this account in YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.
Okay, thank you.
More information, follow us.